Changing the Fibrette coupler when it is damaged is an essential part of SoloVPE maintenance. In this video, we will demonstrate the proper way to change a quickset Fibrette coupler insert and a TBA Fibrette coupler. The quickset Fibrette coupler and the TBA Fibrette coupler are located here, attached to the translation stage. To change the quickset Fibrette coupler insert, unscrew the black insert holder attached to the translation stage. Then, push out the metal insert, making sure to keep the white O-ring in place. Dispose of the old insert, then place the new metal insert into the black insert holder. Finally, screw the black insert holder and the new quickset Fibrette coupler insert into the translation stage. To change a TBA Fibrette coupler, twist the coupler clockwise and pull down. Then, screw in the new coupler, making sure it is seated all the way up. Make sure there is no gap between the TBA Fibrette coupler and the translation stage. You now have the knowledge of how to change a quickset Fibrette coupler insert or a TBA Fibrette coupler. For further questions, contact us using the following information.